There you are, Naruto.
Huh? Kakashi-sensei? What's going on?
I know it's sudden, but you're going to be training with me for now. Get ready and meet me at the Lone Pine. Okay, I'm going on ahead.
Training? Kakashi-sensei and me? How cool is that? I bet he's got loads of awesome jutsu to teach me. All right, this is my lucky day! Kakashi-sensei, I'm ready!
I thought Kakashi had finally shown up.
Huh? You've got to be kidding. Naruto's here too?
Whatever, let's just get it over with. This whole thing's such a drag.
Huh? What's the deal? What are you guys doing here?
I'm here because Kakashi-sensei said he'd supervise my training.
Say what? Kakashi-sensei's gonna train with me!
Looks like he told everyone that.
Oh, and I thought he'd chosen me specially.
That's my line. Why am I stuck with these guys?
Where is Kakashi-sensei anyway?
Hi, everybody. Nice day.
You're late, Kakashi-sensei! We've been standing around for hours!
Keep your headband on. Okay, it looks like we're all here, so shall we begin? Today, you'll be teaming up in pairs and having a mock battle. Well, even though it's a mock battle, it's okay to fight for real. When I think the match has been settled, I'll step in and stop it.
I was expecting something special, not just sparring practice. I'll wrap this up quick and go train on my own.
Naruto and Shikamaru versus Sasuke and Choji.
All right, let's do it!
Sasuke, I want to beat Naruto no matter what.
Huh. You took the words right out of my mouth.
Is everyone ready? Okay. Begin!
If you
Jutsu!
Okay, that's enough. The Naruto Shikamaru team wins.
All right! We won!
Whoa! We lost to the likes of Naruto?
Stop whining. Be a man.
Next, Naruto and Choji on one team and Sasuke and Shikamaru on the other.
All right! Yes! Yes!
Hey, Sasuke. Naruto's gotten a lot stronger.
This time I'm gonna take him down before he knows what hit him.
Well, you get points for confidence at least.
Okay, let's do this.
Are you ready? Okay, begin!
Leave it to me! Human boulder! Shadow Possession Jutsu! Shadow Possession Jutsu! Shadow Possession Jutsu! Here! Phoenix Fire Jutsu! Here! Go! Fireball Jutsu!
All right, that's enough. It goes without saying which team won that one.
We won, right? We beat Sasuke again!
Man, that kid's annoying.
Okay, good job. Well, I mean, I've seen worse.
Hey, Kakashi-sensei, what about me?
Well, you did achieve some degree of teamwork, but you've got a ways to go. Learn to trust your partner more and to cooperate in battle. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, today's training is finished. Dismissed.
curse of the Hokage doll, huh? Is that really the rumor? For now, I'll try finding out how this story got started. I see. So everyone's heard of the curse, huh?
Yeah. Anyone who buys a doll winds up with their house burgled. And then, when the thieves leave, the doll vanishes with them.
No kidding? Okay, I get the idea. Thanks, mister. Well, the dolls sure aren't walking out on their own, so... But what would thieves want with a stupid little doll? Oh, unless maybe the Hokage dolls are what the thieves are after in the first place. Believe it, there's some kind of secret to these dolls. That's it. I've got to report back right away.
All right. But what's the point if you don't know what the secret is?
Kakashi-sensei!
Well, it's a start that you've figured out that much. The stories match up. Undoubtedly, the dolls are the reason for the robberies.
But we still have no clue as to what the all-important secret is.
You'll just have to ask one of the thieves.
How?
Lure one of them in and capture him.
How?
Use your head a little. They're after the dolls, right? Gather up all the dolls to save the thieves the trouble.
Kakashi-sensei, you mean?
Okay, now, we've collected every doll in town, I think.
This is heavy.
Let's go, Naruto.
Huh? Where?
Watch carefully. 1,000 years of death! 1,000 years of death!
The rumors about the curse are all over this town as well. All right. Same as before, we'll just collect up all the dolls here, too.
Easy for you to say. You're not the one hauling them around. Hey, Sensei, think you could pull the cart for a bit?
It's part of your endurance training. Stop whining. There, that's all of them. Okay, next town.
Next town?
This town is next.
Kakashi-sensei, this is the last town, right?
Could be. Okay, I guess we've collected all the dolls we need.
Man, this is heavy. Too heavy.
Don't give up yet, Naruto. We're shifting locations.
I thought we were done. Where are we going now?
You'll see. Follow me. We'll wait there until nightfall.
Okay, it's the middle of the night and nobody's come. Hey, Kakashi-sensei, are these thieves ever gonna show?
Well, I think they will.
Cause I mean, I broke my butt dragging these stupid dolls around.
While you've been complaining, look who showed up.
We've been waiting for you. You're the guys collecting the Hokage dolls.
Okay, just quietly hand the dolls over.
I don't have a problem with that, but I want to ask you something first. What's the deal with these dolls? What kind of secret do they possess?
It's got nothing to do with you. If you're not going to hand them over.
I guess we'll just have to take them. Get them!
Watch carefully. 1,000 years of death! 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 1,000 years of death!
Away!
Run! You're not getting away!
Blast! Let me go!
Nicely done, Naruto. Good job. Now then, I'm still waiting for an answer to my question. What's the reason for going around stealing all these Hokage dolls?
Okay. I'll tell you everything. We were carrying secret plans. The enemy was about to find us, so we hid. Turns out we wound up hiding in the home of the man who makes those dolls. We hid the plans in one of the dolls and came back to get them the next day.
But meanwhile, the dolls had already been shipped, huh? I see. And everything else you stole was just to distract people from the dolls.
Oh! Now I get it.
We've solved the riddle of the curse. Let's go home, Naruto.
Go home? What about this guy? What do we do with him?
Leave him to Anbu Black Ops along with his secret plans. The mission's over. Let's go set Lord Hokage's mind at ease.
Wise choice. Don't get in the way.
So I should take this guy in, right, Hinata?
Yes, that's right.
By the way, who the heck caught him anyway?
Well, you see...
Frustrating as usual.
Well, I did.
What? You were the one that caught this guy?
Just got lucky, I guess.
I see. I guess so. That's awesome, Hinata. Actually, I'm a little jealous. The kind of missions I get usually aren't proper ninja material.
You'll get important missions. In time. I'm sure of it, Naruto.
You're right. And meanwhile, I've just gotta suck it up. Okay, Hinata. I'll take this guy in now.
Naruto. Oh, well...
What is it, Hinata? Just spit it out.
Oh, yeah. Well, just... Be careful, okay, Naruto?
Got it. Thanks, Hinata. one's here. Stop sneaking around and come on out!
Well, if you insist. Hand over that prisoner, or you're dead meat.
Who are you guys? You friends of his?
That's about it. And who are you, kid?
Isn't it obvious? I'm his ninja escort, of course.
A shrimp like you? Man, they must really be hard up.
Say what? Watch it, rat face! Mess with me, you're gonna get burned!
Prove it, shorty.
Let's go! Premium quick! Rotation! Get that little brat quick! Rotation! Break me out, rotation! Hey! Break me out quick! Get me out quick!
Piece of cake!
You little, just you wait. We'll keep attacking as many times as it takes.
Well then, I'll just beat you down as many times as it takes!
Get me out quick! Break it quick! Break it quick! Go! Get me out quick! That's the best you can do.
Ha! Piece of cake!
Get that little brat quick!
Go!
Break it quick! Get that little brat quick! Get that little brat quick! Let me out quick!
Mission accomplished!